It continues to happen. This is something I've talked about a lot in my videos in the past 2+ years is whales collecting trillions and trillions of tokens in bearish times, in red candle times. It's something you need to know about. And I continue to talk about it because I view my job very simply sitting in this seat for you is to make you aware of things like this, because buying on the red days, buying when things are down is hard to do. It's hard to push that buy button. It's hard to accumulate Shiba Inu, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, whatever it may be on the red days. But quite frankly, that's when the money is made. You buy low, you sell high. Yes, I know we get it, Austin, but do you really? That's what I want to talk to you about in this video. By the way, this video is for entertainment purposes only, not financial advice. Here's what I have for you. Whales have bought over 10.25 trillion. That's 10 trillion, 250 billion Shiba Inu tokens in the last 7 days. Why are they buying? They're buying because the market is down. Crypto is down. They're buying because Shiba Inu is at a 11+% discount, if you will, versus the price in this 7-day window. They're buying because Shiba Inu is now at 5088 and change. They're buying because they're locking in very, very good low cost per Shiba Inu tokens. And they have a plan. They have a plan to sell those tokens down the road and make a profit, 20%, 30%, 40%, whatever that profit, their profit plans are. I talk about this all the time in my videos. Have a plan, have a profit plan. My point to you with this video is very simple. It's to illustrate that it is one of the hardest things to do to buy any crypto coin token. By the way, stock, Apple, Tesla, the hardest thing to do is to buy on the red days. Most people FOMO in, fear of missing out, all caps, on the green days when candles are hugely green, when everything is skyrocketing and everything is wonderful. They buy on the high end. They buy when everything's green. That's when the smart people are selling, because they're selling to make a profit. They've bought here on the red days and they're selling on the green days. It is quite frankly that simple, but it is hard to buy on the red days. And my point with this video is to illustrate that whales out there are collecting, are accumulating north of 10 trillion plus tokens in the last 7 days. There you go. With that said, thank you for your support. Go make some money. I'll see you. Bye.